And now for the news in detail. In Meghalaya, political activities have intensified with the announcement of all the 60 candidates for the state assembly elections by BJP today. The BJP's list of candidates was finalized in a meeting in Delhi under the presidency of party's national president JP Nadda. BJP has given tickets to 6 women candidates in Meghalaya, this time including Ferlin Sangma, who left the NPP. Party's state president Ernest Maury will contest from West Shillong seat. Party has pitched vice president of the party's state unit and prominent leader Bernard Marak against incumbent Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma from South Tura. Marak was arrested in a case a few months back and got released later on bail. Many turncoats have also got BJP tickets, including 5-time MLA and former NPP leader Martin M. Dango, who will contest from Ranikor seat. Dango joined the party a few days back. Another prominent leader, H.M. Shangpliang, who came from TMC to the party fold, got a party ticket from Mausanram constituency.
60 assembly constituency ladenge. We will contest all 60 constituencies in Meghalaya, and BJP will contest all these 60 seats on its